K. Palanivel, Padma Shri 2026. This journey started in the village of Purnakuppam, 10 kilometers from the city of Puducherry. Born into a family with humble means, Palanivel lost his father at the age of 13. Life was hard. The family lived in a thatched roof hut. His mother raised 4 children. He was exposed to Silambam, the ancient martial art of Tamil Nadu, during local programs. He got fully caught up in it. In those days, the gurus would instruct once and one had to practice it to perfection. So he used to do shadow practice in the hot sun, which helped him to fine-tune his moves. Palanivel left school after his 7th standard and took up the job of a bus cleaner.
In those days, one used to be paid only ₹3 for cleaning a bus, but needed ₹10 to run my family on a daily basis. During that difficult time, even buying a single bonda was hard to think. Times were tough.
Soon, Palanivel became a bus driver. But throughout, he never lost his passion for Silambam. He kept practicing at every opportunity.
Because of my deep passion for the art, even while working, I used to practice whenever I had free time, picking up the Silambam stick and training. This habit gave me both the opportunity and the confidence to continue my journey in this art.
Then, in 2002, it struck him, why not start his own Karagam or academy? The Mamalan Silambam and Natupura Kalaivalarchi Karagam, Puducherry, was born.
Silambam is what truly shaped my growth in life. Driving gave me livelihood, but I was balancing both paths. After a certain point, I stepped away from my driving job and decided to continue my journey entirely in this art.
For most of the students, training is for free. Palanivel does it for the love of Silambam, and he wants the joy of the Kalai to be enjoyed by as many as possible. He earns from stage performances all over the country and sometimes in places like Dubai and Paris.
I have preserved the stick which I practiced with during my younger days. I've shared my wish with my wife and son that during my final journey, I should be laid to rest with it beside me. I know they will fulfill my wish. I don't know about others, but Silambam is the lifeline of my soul.
K. Palanivel, Padma Shri 2026.
Koti Koti Namaskar.